So okay guys, I am like trying to pick up all this stuff that I left behind, and then do some journal, trying to go over whatever I have. I started and never finished, since it's been 3 years, and then I'm back doing craft again. The other thing that I'm going to do is going to be, I'm gonna put together like a journaling kit that gets most of the lace, maybe fabric, ephemera, tags. I'm just gonna leave clusters, everything ready, and then also beautiful appliques with beads, all beaded, and then like vintage stuff, postcards that I have, and then I'm gonna start to sell them like a kit, because there's a lot of people asking me. The only thing I'm not gonna sell, I don't think so I'm allowed to, this is like prints that I buy from someone. I think it's Andrea. She's from UK, I think, and then she sells all this digital print. This is the boho, I think. I don't know, there's a name for this one. It's the Bohemian though. Of course I'm gonna start with the Bohemian, since I'm Bohemian Llama, so it makes sense. But I can put the link below, and she can, actually, you can buy the digital print from her. You can sell stuff, like once you get the digital, you can actually make stuff and sell. But I don't want to like print stuff, and you guys can buy this. It's super cheap. It's not like expensive, and then you can just do. But I can sell the kit, the lace, the beaded stuff. So I'm just gonna go over, give you guys a quick look how I prepare my journal. I go with the colors, I go with the pictures first, and then I think about everything else. Sometimes I go the opposite way. I just go around with an idea, and then I transform that idea in something that I put together. So let me show you guys. Okay, so I started with like a picture, or the print. So this is like some of the beautiful images that I have. So that's some green. So I go and start to pick up like things around that color, and then the palette, and then go with the flow. So as you can see, it moves from dark green to this green, and then I already stick my tags on a plain paper, and then I use like colors from the background, because I always leave a little space between, so you can see a little bit of the color pops up. And then the back is gonna be in this green, which gonna match with my pages. And then I did the same for the army green. See, the dress has like those dark green, and then I added some more, and then here too. So when I cut this, I'm gonna leave a little space, like at least an edge. And then same here, I pick up a little lilac from the flowers, and then I went with the colors, and there's a lot of orange, bohemian colors here. So I get this lace. This is going to be on the kit as well. I have like some vintage stuff as well, and then the kind of like pinkish, I try to match these two colors, and then I think it's working fine. Some silk, I do gonna put this on my kit. So sari silk from India. This is actually legit India stuff. And then I cut this fabric like in squares, and then as you can see, the colors match perfectly with the colors, and then some more lace. I cut the lace parts that I like the most, so I can do like pockets, and then this color moves a little bit more for the burgundy. See the dress that she's wearing or the coat, whatever. And then this one has like a a bandana. I also have these coins that I'm gonna use on this book. So then I found this chest kind plaid, like you know, plaid or plaid. And then I just match with the colors here. See how perfect they match. So, and then this way I have the beautiful beaded pieces that is going to be on my kit. This is actually wedding dresses and you know, mother of the bride dresses from actually a friend in Brazil. She sent me all of this. She never used the leftovers, so thanks to my mom. I think this is actually my mom's friend, not my friend, but she, you know, this is all family. So then I found this sari silk that match with those colors. So that color I did pick it up just accidentally, but I think that's gonna match with the, you know, the other stuff. And then I have some lilac veil, like a, you know, chiffon. And then this one, I'm not sure, this is going to be there for a minute. And then I still have a little bit of brown and also some yellow because I pick up the flowers. And that's it. I mean, I am working on this. I do have beautiful laces to show you guys, and then also beautiful beaded stuff, and actually real original wedding dresses that I purchased along the years. And then I'm just gonna cut them all. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to cut them. And then it's like vintage stuff that I got, and then I, like, you know, I am like hoarding and waiting, but I'm gonna have to cut them. So for now, guys, I want to show you this. There's one more thing. I want to give you guys a quick peek, like on the laces that I'm talking about with beaded stuff. This is amazing. It's like so much, like so rich. It's like a lot. And then that's what I'm going to be selling on my new journaling kit. See how cool it's going to be with this if I make a pocket or something. So that's beautiful. So this is one color. I have then in green, in this teal. My gosh, look at this one, guys. Isn't it amazing? Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to cut them in pieces, but I'm just gonna save, you know, I'm gonna make sure that you guys, whoever buy this, gonna get the flowers and everything. And a little bit of a black. The black is amazing. It's like so beautiful. Look at this. These flowers are, you know, insane. And you know, I wish the video shows more, but I mean, in another green. So this is also super pretty, super rich. Look at these leaves, amazing. It's like to die for. And then like the end, like the edge is so cute too. And there is another black. This one has less beads, but it's very shiny. And then, you know, maybe I just gonna try to show like this. Can you see the shining? All the, you know, in the flowers. And then this is my favorite. Look, this pink, hot pink or magenta, which is like, the bead work is insane. The pearls and everything is so pretty. And then there's a silver one, which has so much. It's like, I don't know, look like shooting stars to me. Look, it's amazing, you know. So I'm just preparing myself and getting ready for the kits. So you guys gonna get them soon. I'll let you know. I'll put a post, I'll put an Instagram, and then let you know, guys. Thank you so much. That's what I make. I'm gonna try to make more videos about this journal here and then see how we go. Okay, thank you guys, bye.